Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 3 of the 5-day challenge. Thank you for being here. I'm so excited. I love that you guys are participating in this, and I hope that it's really helping to bring some ideas and your dreams and everything to the forefront of your mind. So, today we're going to be doing money portals, and it's very exciting because I actually love to talk about money as a tool. I don't like to talk about it as the end goal. If that's what you're wanting is the money is the end goal, you will find that if you do that, you will feel depressed, you'll feel stuck, you'll feel like what's the point? It's not fulfilling. So money is a tool to help you to get more freedom, the life you want, to be able to feel free and to be able to enjoy hobbies and things that you love to do and to explore your soul gift. It's not really for, I want $5 million. You get $5 million. Well, what are you going to do? It's not really the end goal. So I want you to really consider it as a tool. So in saying that, so we're going to be going through money mindset exploration. So what are your beliefs around money? What are your stories? Do you have particular things that you've been told as a kid, like money doesn't grow on trees, things like that? I want you to really explore those kind of things, which we will do in a minute. I'll go through some slides with you. And then really think about any limiting beliefs you have around money because money is energy. We are energy. Everything's energy. So it's the energy you put towards things is how it comes and flows in your life. So if you have limiting beliefs around money, you will have blockers there. So we're going to go through that. So let me just share the screen with you. You can see that. Okay, so we have 15 money stories, and I'd love you to see which ones you identify with. So we have money is the root of all evil. Money doesn't grow on trees. Um, Rich people are greedy. I'm not good with money. I'll never be rich. Money can't buy happiness. It's not polite to talk about money. I'll always be in debt. I need to keep up with others' financial success. Money is everything. I don't deserve wealth. I'll never make enough money doing what I love. There's never enough money. Money is too complicated, and money is a measure of self worth. So read through those and really write down the ones that you really resonate with or that you have been taught growing up. I know number one, money is the root of all evil. It's a big one, big saying that has been within my family. Kind of like if you're if you're quite well off and that kind of thing, you do bad things. Like you're greedy or you're like you will do you'll do evil things to people to get money, kind of thing. And it's just a saying that was around in probably more in the 80s. But it has continued on. So, and money doesn't grow on trees is a big one too. So I want you to go through those and write down which ones are you, so that we can start to talk about how we can fix that mindset and change that. Like if you have that limiting belief in your mind, changing that will help you to have more flow, more abundance in your life. So here's 15 money solutions that I have created for each one. I've just done one, but in a lot of my courses and that kind of thing and my one-on-ones, I really help. If you have a particular one, I've got many more that we can do. But so money is the root of all evil. So engage in act of generosity, and that counteracts that feeling that it's the root of all evil. Do something really nice, like pay for someone's coffee, do something nice with your money so that it's not the root of all evil. Money doesn't grow on trees. So this is one that I love to do is buy a money tree and place it at the front of your door. And then in my groups, we've had other girls and women that have said they have bought a money tree and then they put another money tree at the back door so that the money stays in the house, which I thought was a nice idea. So it's something you can do. Um, Rich people are greedy, so donate to a charitable cause. Even though you might not see yourself as rich, donate to a charitable cause so you know that you're not greedy. So if you become rich, you wouldn't be greedy. You would help charity. I'm not good with money, so start a money journal. Start a journal with go back and think of any time that you were actually good with money. Go back and go, oh, when I was 10, I did save that time for a puppy and I was good then. You know, recount the times that you actually were good with money, because it wouldn't be that you're always not good with money. So you need to start finding the times where you were. I'll never be rich. So visualize a perfect day of your future. Visualize that you will have money. Visualize that you, like, even if it's not that you'll be ridiculously rich, visualize a day where you can do anything you want because you are good. You've got all your bills paid, you've got your house, you've got everything that you wanted to. Visualize the perfect day where you can go to yoga if you feel like it, you can go to the beach if you feel like it. Visualize that perfect day of freedom. Money can't buy happiness, so start a happiness jar. So, and buy something for someone from it. So, start a happiness jar. You can buy it for yourself as well, but I thought it would be nice if you started a happiness jar, dollar coins in there. Whenever you've got extra coins, put it in there. And then when you've got, it could be $20. Buy something for someone that really makes them happy. And you're like, money can buy happiness. Um, it's not polite to talk about money, so normalize money talk with close friends and family. So just start talking about money. This is a big thing that I struggled with for a long time. Even to do a course on money, I thought that would be a little bit like pretentious, a little bit like, yeah, I just didn't feel, I felt icky about it. And then I thought, well, if I don't talk about money, like, is that just going to be a big elephant in the room every time we're talking about business and stuff? I was like, this is ridiculous. So I starting to normalize money talk with close friends and family. A good one. Um, I'll always be in debt. So envision yourself completely free from debt. Picture yourself celebrating as you pay off your last debt, and that feeling that you get, because that's what you really want to try to get, is that feeling you get. So the feeling, the sense of relief, the joy, the empowerment of like, yes, I am debt free. Yeah. I need to keep up with others' financial success. Sorry. Others' financial success. So spring clean and start minimalizing. That one is a huge one because there's actually a book that I've got up there. It's like Love People Use Things. So, and it talks about really just going through your whole house and go, do I need that? Do I need that? Do I need that? Don't want that. And really minimalizing. And then you have less stress and you feel like less needing to keep up with the Joneses, keeping up with the Kardashians. You feel like you don't need to keep up with everyone's success. You need less to feel happy. Money is everything. So do something for someone for nothing, and just randomly, just do something small. I don't deserve wealth, so start a deservingness jar, bit like the happiness jar, and then buy yourself something nice so that you feel like you deserve that. And start a jar maybe when the deservingness jar could be something when it doesn't have to actually be changed. It could be like when you do like I don't know, a side job or something, and you get a little bit of cash or you get something and put it in there. I'll never make enough money doing what I love. So this affirmation is really good. Is I am abundantly compensated for doing what I love. Say that every single day. This actually is scientific proof that affirmations and visualizations change the wiring of your brain. So continue to do that, especially affirmations that you believe. So saying that you are compensated for doing what you love would be a really nice one to do. You could even do one of like, I'm going to be the first person in my family to make money doing what I love. and you could say, I could be, and then that will make you feel like, maybe I could. It needs to be something that you will believe. Don't gaslight yourself in saying like, I am abundant and I am going to be making all this money when you don't believe it. It you got to start smaller until you will believe that. You will believe that as you build up with your affirmations. There's never enough money, so a gratitude journal. Really be specific with your gratitudes in the morning. So do five things that you're grateful for in your gratitude journal, and it could be things like um, there's clean water. I can always wash my clothes whenever I want. Those kind of things. I always have clean clothes. I always can have a hot shower. It's only been in the last like 50 years that we've had hot showers. Like every single day we can have a hot shower. You can have two hot showers if you want. Like there's things to be grateful for there when it starts to make you feel quite abundant. You're like living like a queen, living like a king. And makes you feel like, yeah, there is money here. There, like I feel like there's abundance. Money is too complicated, so read a money book because it can really break it down for you and really make you feel like, it's not too complicated. It's energy. It's a tool. So read Rich Dad Poor Dad's a good one. Um, You're a Badass at Making Money is a good one, and Lucky Bitch is a really good one too. So they're just three examples, but there's plenty of other money books out there. Money is a measure of self-worth. So journal 5 traits about you that you're proud of that doesn't include money. So write down anything that you can think of from childhood through to now, 5 traits about you that you're really proud of that has got nothing to do with money. So this should help a lot. Take what you can from each one, whichever ones you resonate with the most, and just start working on, even if it's just one. Just start working on one. You can always come back and watch this again. But always, yeah, just keep it in the back of your mind, like thinking, I'm abundantly compensated for doing what I love. Like keep those affirmations, keep those visualizations happening. So now we've got a couple money unblockers. So these are just some things that I've found are really helpful in unblocking the money and opening up the money portals. So clean your wallet out. And I also add in a piece of citrine, the crystal, into the coin pocket. And then as we were doing this course through one of my containers, one of the women in there said she puts a piece of citrine in there with a note. She actually has $100 note, and she wraps it up and puts it in her wallet. And what that does is that means that she's always got money. So she has that feeling, it doesn't matter where she is, she's always got $100. And I thought that was a really good, really great money unblocker. Number 2 is start visualizing money as a color. And that is a perfect energy exchange for you. So every time you go and get your groceries and say your visualizing color is, a lot of people do green or gold for money, but say if it was blue and you've got the perfect blue in your mind, as you exchange the money, or even if it's a card, like do the card as the color and feel the energy exchange. Food, money. Feel the energy exchange with the color. Number 3 is change your passwords to something abundant. So like abundance with the dollar signs, moneymaker 1111, something like that, where you are constantly either typing it in or you're reading it out while you're typing it in. And it's easier to remember as well. But when you do this, like it might be I'm a millionaire. It's kind of like the affirmations. It's just a constant visual and thought reminder that I'm a moneymaker, 1111, or abundance, like those kind of words constantly at you is really good. Another good one that I haven't got written here would be to do up a phone screensaver with your money mantra on there. And if you do that, like you open up your phone, I think it's like 85 times a day. So if you're seeing that 85 times a day, that would really, 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 really help in constantly showing your subconscious, I'm a money maker. Number 4, dedicate a coin drop area. So add a green and gold candle right by it. And any coins, don't have them in your car, on top of the fridge, in drawers, in your undies drawer. Don't have all these coins everywhere. Start to bring it together into one coin drop area. And that really sort of helps to like create a money portal. Number 5 is gratitude at every exchange of money. So like instead of whinging about a power bill, so thank you so much for having the power on. I'm happy to pay the money to get the power on. Anything like that, when you're paying bills, if you have a negative connotation to it, you are blocking yourself. And then 6 is money mantras. So create some money mantras that you are going to believe yourself. So I could make really good money from doing what I love, and keep saying it. Keep saying it. Keep saying it. Keep saying it. I could do this. I really could start making money from doing what I love. And continue to say that to yourself every day. Make a phone screensaver, put it around the house, put it on your vision board, and really keep that flow of feeling like, yes, this could actually happen. It can flow to me. Okay, so some money mantras that I like are: I am worthy of abundance and success. Number 2 is I release all limiting beliefs about money and success. I release it all. Third one, my purpose aligns with prosperity and abundance. And then number 4 is I trust the universe's plan for my prosperity. So they're ones that I feel like I can believe, and that can really help me to continue to be quite positive towards money and my mission. So if you'd like to write those down, write those down. But that's it for day 3 of this 5-day course. I hope that really helped. I hope that really like helps you think about money in a different way, and that you can actually start to create some money portals. I also go into more depth in my courses as well. So if you do feel like you'd like to work with me, please contact me. Please DM me. I'm happy to answer any questions or anything like that. But we'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Thanks, guys. Bye.